Dr. Lou coming to you from inside the CHIROVAN. I'm here at Shaw's in Falmouth, Maine with an exciting announcement about free gifts for you on the CHIROVAN. If you see the van, you'll see the gift. Check it out. We're going to step outside the van now so you can see what I'm talking about. Here's the van in all its glory, and check it. You, my dear friends, are health magnets. That's right, my friends. You are health magnets. Better health awaits you, and it's just a phone call away. If you see the CHIROVAN parked, grab a magnet, use it immediately or save it for later. Our information, our website, our phone number is on the magnet whenever you need us. We are here to serve you, and now you will have total access when you are ready to make the call. I hope the accessibility of getting these magnets gives you the opportunity to call our office when you feel like life is just not working out, your health is just not working out. We are here to help you. It's not about your back, it's about your life. And it's never too late to have your spine and nervous system checked for vertebral subluxation. We are here to help you when you are ready. Give us a call anytime. It is never too late to try to create a healthier spine and nervous system. So grab a magnet. Don't forget, when you see the CHIROVAN, grab a magnet. Could I say it anymore? Probably not. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon. Be healthy. You are a health magnet.
There's something about